Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free. Today we're going to be making something very tasty. I can't wait to make this. So in the spirit of Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up, or for any holidays or just any day, you always have to have some sweet. And making a pie, base of the pie's crust, I'm going to use 2 cups of gluten-free flour. I'm going to use 1 cup of unsalted butter, but instead of butter, I'm going to be using coconut oil. As you saw in my last video too, coconut oil is a good replacement for butter, and this is anti-inflammatory as well. Instead of an egg, I'm going to use 1 spoon of flax seeds, and I'm going to mix this with hot water, to make my egg replacement mixture. I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is organic dark brown sugar. You get this from Trader Joe's. About 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Half a teaspoon of salt. So let me go ahead and put this all together. Let me show you how this is done. Okay, first I'm going to work on my egg replacement, which is made out of flax seeds and hot water. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, now that the flax seeds have mixed with the water, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take about 2 cups of gluten-free flour, and I'm going to put that in the bowl. Okay, now I'm going to add about 1 cup of this coconut oil to the flour mixture. Okay, now that I put this in here, I'm just going to go ahead and mix this together. Kind of breaking up the coconut oil. Okay, the flaxseed mixture, I'm just going to mix about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, not too much. Then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, now that I got my flax seeds mixture with the salt, vinegar, and the sugar as well. Now that I got all this mixed together, I'm just going to pour this in here. Okay, now that I got my dough all mixed up, I'm just going to put this in plastic wrap, which I'm going to keep, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge for about half an hour or an hour. Okay, I brought the dough out from the fridge. Of course, since it's coconut oil, it hardens up really fast. So I popped this in the micro for like a few seconds, or like a minute, so I can easily spread it now. Okay, I'm just preheating my oven at 350 for about 5 minutes. But while this is, I'm just poking a few holes in it so that the heat will be released from this as well. Okay, I set it for about 15 minutes, 350 and on bake. And it's looking so good. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I put this for another 5 minutes. So it's been about 20 minutes in total. And look at that, it's looking so nice and brown. The edges are nice and brown. I'm just going to keep it out here for a little while so it can cool. This is looking so good. Oh my gosh, it's so tasty. I just made it today, but I think I have a feeling it's going to be over tomorrow. The crust is so crunchy. I think if anyone is looking for a pie crust recipe, they should use this. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. The coconut oil, you can't even taste it. But it just combined everything really well. The raspberries are so good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day, guys.